Justine from Tulum restaurant in Melbourne is joining me today. And if you love Turkish food, it is a must on your list. Justine, today you're going to be cooking me a very old-style Turkish recipe.
That's correct. So this is probably one of the oldest recipe coming from Ottoman Empire. And basically, it's one of the easiest, quickest, and also delicious sort of like a dish or mezes.
So we'll need a whole chicken for this recipe?
That's correct. So we're going to put whole chicken into the pot.
Okay.
And then we're going to cover the chicken with cold water.
Yeah, always when you're poaching a whole chook like this, never start with hot water because it won't cook evenly.
So we add in some of the garlic. So we need that broth flavoursome. And then add in onions.
Lots of onions.
Lots of onions. And also, whenever I poach chicken, I always add in cinnamon and the cloves to give extra flavour.
Yep.
So we're going to add the salt.
Okay.
Just to
Probably
good amount of salt.
Yep.
And then we're going to boil this water and we're going to cook for 45 minutes.
Okay. I don't know about you, Justine, but I find it quite therapeutic to shred chicken like that. No, you don't. I love it. I just think it's great. And it smells fantastic, a poached whole chicken. And we've got this beautiful chicken broth that we've strained.
That's chicken stock will go into this bread.
Okay.
So we're going to soak them. Probably we need maybe around 5 minutes.
And this is sourdough bread. It's a couple of days old.
Beautiful. Yeah, perfect. So just wait for a couple of minutes. And then while it's happening, we'll actually put half of the walnut into the blender.
Okay.
So we're not put all of them because when it's almost done, we add rest of them to give some texture to the dish.
Okay. And nothing else goes in at this stage?
Just little bits.
Little blitz. Okay. How's that, Justine?
Oh, it's beautiful. So roasted walnut, amazing. So now we have the bread is ready. So we
Okay.
could put the bread in with the chicken broth.
Okay. So, yeah, it's super soft, isn't it? I guess because that stock was piping hot too.
Yeah.
You really want to be using stale bread for a recipe like this, don't you?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
So a bit of that stock.
So that's almost become like a paste.
Fantastic.
And then while it's warm, we can add all the spices. So the spice will also, all the flavour will come out with the heat.
Fantastic. So what spices have we got
So
here?
we have the black pepper
Okay.
and Turkish red chilli.
Oh, this is one of your favourites. Cinnamon and this are your favourite.
I love it. I can't do without it. And also the plain paprika.
Plain.
It's not the smoked one.
Okay. There we go. Any salt at this stage, or we've seasoned the stock?
We season later on.
Okay. And another blitz.
Another blitz. So now we can add the rest of the walnut, but this time we're going to add blitz a little less.
Okay. So we've got the two textures.
Yep. And also we have fresh coriander. Put it in.
The whole
blitz,
lot?
whole lot.
Whole lot.
Yeah.
There we go. And I might push that down a bit.
Would be great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Can you smell?
It smells incredible, the spices. Can't wait to try this. And just a quick pulse.
Just a quick pause.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Oh, it smells
Can I
amazing.
smell?
Please.
It's mum.
Just
smell
that
of
in
my
itself.
mum.
Does it? It smells
Yes.
like your mum's cooking.
It's amazing. So all we have to do, probably like half of it goes
Okay.
into the chicken.
Yeah.
So we're just going to mix them through.
About that much?
Yeah, I think so.
It's kind of like a Turkish chicken salad, right? Because
Beautiful.
we usually mix it with mayonnaise and
Yeah.
celery, but this time it's with walnuts and spices. Great idea. All right, do you want me to do the mixing?
Yes, please. While you do this, and I'm going to do the olive oil with a little bit spices to serve it like a last-minute touch.
Oh, lovely. Okay. So some nice extra virgin olive oil.
Yes. So I think that will be enough. A couple of spoons. And then I'm going to add the paprika in here.
Again, that's the same paprika that we used before.
That's right.
Can you tell me a little bit about this particular pepper? Is it easy to find? Aleppo pepper, right?
Yeah, it's called Aleppo pepper.
Yeah.
And it's not very easy to find in Melbourne specific, if you not go to specific Middle Eastern or Turkish shops. But it's coming from eastern part of Turkey.
Right.
And it's basically dried capsicum.
Dried capsicum, yeah. Happy with that?
That looks amazing.
Great.
So now we can plate it.
Okay. Ah, Turkish food, always generous. Generous big plates.
Have to be.
And would you eat this just as is, or because you said meze, I automatically think bread, or how would you eat it?
I mean, I would eat it as it is too, but also it's great with like warm, toasted Turkish pide bread.
The bread that you do at Tulum.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's so good.
So I think that will be enough. And it's also great for party food too.
Yeah, why not?
So that's the olive oil with all the spices. That goes on.
It's those little touches right at the end. I wish you could smell this right now. Oh, all of those spices.
That's all.
Shall we have a taste?
Please.
All right, so I want to make sure I get the oil and a lot of the chicken.
That's it.
I could just eat the whole lot.
That's-
It is so good. The walnuts. Walnuts and chicken go so well together, but the fact that it's blended together and that little addition of the oil right at the end takes it to the next level. Oh,
I'm glad you liked it.
Justine. Oh, I love everything that you cook for me. It is always so special and also so unique. Dishes that I've never seen before. Love it. Thank you.
My pleasure.